Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. This car comes in a billet metallic clear coat color and black leather seats. It only has 76 miles on it, and it comes with its famous 6.2 liter supercharged hemi engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This car is a clean CarFax and still under factory warranty. It is equipped with GPS navigation system, 9 Harmon kardon amplified speakers with a subwoofer, Bluetooth connectivity, a power liftgate, fully automatic headlights, 4-wheel independent suspension, front dual zone AC climate controls, remote keyless entry, and so much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat.